Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, this will be a sponsored video by Isee hair, and they did send me a 13 by 4 pre-plucked 24-inch water wave unit. And what I'm using on my hair today is the liquid bowl hole glue. Now you guys, I did use this glue wrong, so the next time I will show you guys how to properly use this glue, because you're obviously not supposed to wait till it gets dry. It's supposed to be still a little tacky, and then you lay the lace down. So I'll show that in another video. But I'm just laying down the lace here. I did decide to use Tresemme spray as well, and it held really well along with the boho glue. So that's another tip as well. But I would say the lace, it took really well to blending. I did also decide to bleach the knots, and it did take well to the bleach. I should have left it on just a little bit longer, because you guys are going to kind of see it has a little bit of clearness to the lace still. But what I really liked about this unit is that they did pre-pluck it. So I really didn't have to do too much as far as plucking to try to get it, you know, to look natural once I start laying down the baby hairs. But I did pluck it just a little bit to my liking. So I'm just laying down the baby hairs on the side for my side part. That's how I choose to do my baby hairs. And I think it looks really, really good when you lay down your baby hairs just on the side. That you have the deep part on when you're doing the side part, if that makes sense. But now I'm just securing it just to make sure that the lace is laid down, securing it with my Tresemme spray. I'm telling you guys, Tresemme spray holds a lace down so good. Now, as you guys can see, this unit does not take much maintenance. All I'm doing is just making sure the lace is secured, and then I went to go ahead and do my makeup. And as you guys can see, I'm back with a full face. So now I'm just putting mousse on the hair. Now I did break my spray bottle, so I just had to put my fingers through some water and just put it through the hair, so you guys didn't see that part. But all in all, you guys, like I said, this wig is very, very easy, very beginner friendly. All I'm doing now is just blending the lace. I didn't have any issues with this unit. The only thing I wish is that it was longer, for it to have stated it was 24 inches. But other than that, there was no tangling, there was no shedding, and the curls took really, really well to the water and mousse together. If you want to just use water, you can definitely do that as well. Oh, and by the way, if you guys want to know what my lip combo is, my everyday lip combo is, just check the description box below. I will have this combo down there. Yep, so now I'm just finishing off my look, and that is pretty much it, you guys. Make sure you check out the description box below, because I'm telling you guys, for my ladies who are beginners, even though this is a 13 by 4, it was very easy to install. And I basically only used my Tresemme spray. So definitely check out this unit, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe.